Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Sol de Janeiro's new, I keep wanting to say brand new, it's just new to me, triple Brazilian butter hair repair treatment mask. Before I get into my review, I have to introduce myself. This is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare videos, and some vlogs. So if that's something that you're into, then at least hit the subscribe button for me. You don't have to like hit all the notifications, just don't forget about me. Just check back in periodically and see what I'm up to, okay? Sounds like a deal? I can deal with that. If you saw my last video, then you know I just added this to my product stash about a week ago because I'm really trying to incorporate more treatments into every single wash day because I feel like my hair has been thriving these last few months. I didn't show you what my hair looked like before because it was dry, crusty. I was going through it. I hadn't moisturized my hair in like 4 days. It was not a good look. And I also didn't pre-poo, which I should have done because I shampooed with the Brazilian Joya shampoo, which is a strengthening shampoo. There's no moisture, there's no hydration, there's no clarifying. That is a strengthening shampoo. That is what it does. It cleanses your hair and strengthens it. And I do believe that. I feel like my hair could have really used some more moisture. It was really great that I was following up with this treatment mask because it contains not one, not two, but you heard from the title, 3 butters. It contains Kapuaku, Mira Mira, and Takuma. I'm acting like I know what I'm talking about, but I know that I butchered those names. Which in combination is supposed to give you this intensely hydrating, deep nourishment, and also reducing breakage type treatment. This claims that it will mend up to 96% of split ends. Now, of course, I've only used it once and I can't speak to that, but I'm just telling you what it says. This mask is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, paraben-free, and sustainably sourced. It contains phenyltrimethicone along with isopropyl alcohol, which was pretty high in the ingredient list. Just put it out there. Do with that information as you will. Let's get into it. This butter was super thick. Of course, when you think of butters, you think that this is going to be masked, but no, this is some real legit thickness. The scent is just like the Bum Bum Cream, so if you're familiar with that, that is what this hair mask smells like. For application, I would highly recommend that you apply this on soaking wet hair just because it is that thick. And I think that will help you with the detangling process as well. Right now, I'm not really in the mood to use a lot of tools, so I'm finger detangling. But if you wanted to detangle with your brush or comb while applying this treatment mask, I think that would be perfectly fine. The slip is there. It's not anything insane, but it's definitely there. I just feel like you really need to use this on soaking wet hair. And for you fine hair girls, this might be a lot for y'all. I'm just telling you right now. The great thing about this mask is that it only takes 10 minutes to work. So if you're gonna stay in the shower, I think it's perfectly fine. You will see that it is going to absorb into your hair. I unfortunately decided to hop out and didn't cover my hair. So my hair ended up getting kind of hard. But once I hopped back in the shower, like let it loosen up a bit, it rinsed out just fine. And my hair felt good, but coated. Yeah, I know my hair was moisturized because, you know, as I was applying it, you could see how the butters were heavy and it elongated my curls most definitely. But on rinse out, it bounced right back and the elasticity is there. To wrap this up, I do like this hair mask. Now, you do get 8 ounces for $36, so also keep that in mind. But I can probably get 6 to 8 uses out of this. Let me see if I can get it to show up. Can y'all see that? Probably not. My lighting is a little off, but I really didn't use that much. I felt like I used a lot because I kept digging back in it, but I can get at least 6 to 8 more uses out of this. Also, it's very fragranted. Like I said before, if you are a fan of the Bum Bum Cream scent, it smells just like it. I woke up this morning and could still smell it on my hair. I woke up like, oh, that smells so good. And realized it was my hair. It wasn't anything like outrageous, but if you are sensitive to scents and smells, you might want to steer clear of this one. It definitely has me ready for the spring and summer. I just want to be on somebody's beach, by somebody's pool right now. And I'm going to incorporate this into my wash routine like I do everything else. So do you need it? No. If you like Sol de Janeiro products, sure. That is where I'll leave it. But it ain't nothing right to your grandma about that everybody in your family needs, but I like it. It was good. Didn't blow my mind. Just another product that I wanted to try out. Don't forget that I will have everything linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next one.